Whenever anyone thinks of buying a product or daily utility item these days, their first preference is to quickly search for the product on various e-commerce sites. While there are numerous e-commerce sites available on the internet these days, Amazon has surmounted the lead. Amazon is the world's largest and most used marketplace, which has created a monopoly by providing millions of products to customers across all genres. Hi, this is Komal Kashas and you're welcome to our channel Natalie. Today I'll talk about 9 Amazon SEO hacks to boost product sales on Amazon. Watch this video till the end as I will share a master tip with you all. And yes, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you got notified when we launch more of such videos. Amazon is an integrated marketplace where the sellers from various fields can put forward their products for sale. The company charges a commission on the sold products, listing with every sale made through it. There are a lot of Amazon affiliate sites available where people share the Amazon products which they endorse and earn substantial profits. Since millions and millions of products are available on Amazon, one needs to ensure that they do appropriate Amazon SEO to rank their products and services higher on the e-commerce site and scale up the competition. Now let us have a look at 9 smart hacks to enhance sales using the Amazon SEO techniques. Number 1. Product name should be strategic and include keyword. Amazon SEO play a pivotal role in determining the rank of the product in the marketplace. Once you have determined the right target SEO keyword for your product, you should ensure that the way the product is listed on the site is in line with the SEO guidelines. The product title should have the target keyword in the right place and position. The target keyword as per the Amazon SEO should preferably be the leftmost. The product title must be highly optimized for the SEO and include the brand name, keyword description. The product name should reflect the key features and various common attributes like size, material, color, metal, etc. The keyword should be included in the title and ideally more than one keyword should be there. Number 2. Find and enter right backing search terms in Amazon Seller Central account. You can efficiently manage the search terms for the product listing from the Amazon Seller Central page by optimizing the keywords and ensuring that you enter the right search terms. You can tweak your product listing in such a way that it appears in most of the searches. The backing keywords are substantial hidden search keywords which, when added to the product listing, can help in boosting their visibility on the Amazon site. You can use the Seller Central account to enter search terms which are extremely important in Amazon SEO. Even though the buyer cannot see these search terms on the product listing page, these search words substitute the various search terms that you are not able to add on the main product listing page while creating the product page. Number 3. Relevant seller name is must. While product name is essentially the essential part of listing the product on Amazon, as per the Amazon SEO, you must ensure that the seller name is also relevant, accessible and as per the SEO algorithm guidelines. When you have identified the right root keyword, it is of utmost importance that you include that in your seller name. If your seller or store name is not identifiable with the products you are selling, the Amazon algorithms and the buyers in general would not be able to relate with your brand. Your seller name should be in line with the product category. So, for example, you are selling health and fitness gear on Amazon, then your seller name should be something that is relevant to the product and contains the root keyword. So, selling fitness watches, your seller name can be Fitness Watch Store, Fitness Watch Arcade, Fitness Watch Online, etc. Number 4. Brand name for enhanced ranking. Most of the consumers and potential buyers relate with the brand for any product they are searching for. When you include a brand name of the product in the product title, search terms on the seller page and the description, the search results are likely to bring your product to the top. The brand name included in the backend field can also increase the chances of a higher rank on the Amazon search page. Most of the time, the consumers may search for the item by product name instead of the category, and in such a case, when you have included the brand name in all the parameters, then the chances of the product being listed on top pages are higher. Number 5. Well-crafted product description and image. Most of the buyers on Amazon would search for the product based on the keyword and look through the description in detail to find out whether the product is worth their money or not. Here, the trick is to clearly emphasize the product features and benefits to distinguish from the other competitor products. The way you write the product description determines whether the visitors would be encouraged to buy it or not. The product images should be of high quality and clearly show the products from as many angles as possible. There is a clear need to ensure that the product is visible. You must ensure that you use a white background and high resolution image. Number 6. Better conversion rates. Conversion rates increase the chances of Amazon ranking your product higher on the search results. The conversion rate is the percentage of the sales made on the e-commerce site based on the number of clicks. So, the number of clicks on your product page compared to the sales made determines the conversion rate. The higher the conversion rate, better the sales. That's why most of the Amazon SEO experts vouch for better conversion rates for enhancing sales. There are some straightforward ways to enhance conversion rates that include: Number 1. Competitive pricing for the product. Number 2. A well-written and highly compelling product description that includes the root keyword as per the Amazon SEO. Number 3. Answering the various queries from the customers about the product. Number 4. Ensure that all the necessary details are available for the product, which help the customers know the product itself on the page without the need to do additional research on the internet. Number 5. Share the positive as well as negative user feedback and reviews. Remember that the product that the positive reviews on Amazon have only made doubt the customer's mind as being fake. Number 6. Using the right digital marketing techniques to redirect visitors to your product page. Number 7. Buy box hack. The add to cart option in Amazon is referred to as buy box. The idea is to win the buy box so that your product appears on the item's product page when a user searches for it. You can get the buy box if your product's performance is exceptional on the largest marketplace, along with offering the best price. You must ensure that you are selling at the best price to win the prestigious buy box. If you can win the buy box, you have massively high chances of making large volume sales on the e-commerce site. The buy box would appear only on one of the seller or product page, even though many sellers may be offering the same product. The buy box is the most important call to action on Amazon product page as it redirects the customer to the purchase page. Along with offering the best rates, you must ensure that you buy in bulk to offer trade discounts and explore the various import options from other platforms, so that you can offer the most competitive rates to your customers by sourcing your products from the most perfect rates. Number 8. Reviews. Customer feedback is the most reliable and encouraging element of any product listing, especially online e-commerce sites. Every buyer goes through the reviews from the customers who have already ordered and used the product, as it gives them honestly, real-time and most practical suggestions about the products. The sellers would naturally write the best description and details about their products, in which they may make high promises. However, the real customers would share honest feedback. Amazon SEO relies mostly on customer reviews and star ratings. The better the ratings, higher the chances of customers buying the product. You can do that by merely contacting the selling through your orders page. Simply open the order and contact the buyer and request them to leave a review of your product. The higher the review, the more substantial sales. Number 9. Custom URL. Amazon ranks the products which have more views and sales based on a keyword. In case you want that there are more views on your product page so that Amazon also ranks it higher when the related keyword is searched, then you can use a custom URL and drive traffic to the Amazon product page from different social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Custom URL is the direct link to your Amazon storefront or product listing, which you can share on various social media channels to direct the visitors directly to your product page. You can also use the custom link in your affiliate articles and product listings done by influencers to directly send visitors to your product page. With the custom links help, you bypass the search process and end up the customers landing directly on your product page. You can share the custom URL on the various social media channels and also create shareable content backed by the right viral marketing techniques to attain better traction on your product page. Now the master tip. You can use affiliate platforms, blogs and get in touch with the Amazon influencers to promote your product in place of discount code for their followers. All in all, the Amazon Marketplace is a wonderland for sellers and brings diverse customers, increasing the chances of making substantial sales. However, there is massive competition as there are more than 2.5 billion sellers on Amazon. Using the right Amazon SEO techniques and following the hacks listed above, you can easily enhance your sales and garner massive profits. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do share it. Smash the like icon and tell people about it. Did you like our research? Let us know in the comments. Also, let us know what topics would you like us to cover in our upcoming videos. There are blog links in the description below that you can go through for more detailed information. See you soon in our next video.